welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carsey Deneen. If this is your very first video, thank you so much for stopping by, but you better not leave talking to you without hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell, so that way you'll be notified whenever your girl drops a video and you become part of the family. If you are a returning family member, what up, cousins? Y'all already know how we do it, okay? So let's just start this video off by saying, y'all, we did it. We hit 500 subscribers on YouTube. Give yourselves a round of applause. I couldn't have done it without all of you. I love you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It may be small to some, but it's big to me, and I am truly, truly, truly grateful and humbled that you guys are rocking with your girl like that. So, with that being said, I got a little giveaway. Okay, we love giveaways. So, this giveaway is going to be very simple to enter. All you have to do is like this video, be subscribed to my channel, and comment down below. That's it. And I'm going to pick one winner to get a $25 gift card from Amazon, so that way y'all can go ahead and purchase some of these wigs I'll be reviewing. You know what I'm saying? That's going to help you out a little bit, okay? So please, please, please don't forget to enter. I'm super excited. I'm like, you guys understand, this means a lot to me. You know, I've been working my way up, grinding and hustling and grinding. So I really, 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 truly appreciate each and every one of you. Now, to the video. If you guys want to see how I created this easy, breezy, Zoom, digital learning makeup look, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, y'all. So first, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I went to the beach, so I'm super tanned. So that's why I wore this type of shirt, so that way you can tell how burnt I am. And let's pray that one of these foundations and stuff works. So just had to get that out the way. So just in case at the end, y'all like, oh, sis, I literally just came from the beach and I'm like burnt. So let's go ahead and start. So since I'm oily, I always take my Milk and Magnesia, and I just take a small brush and, oh, got excess Milk and Magnesia flying everywhere. And I just place this on my brow area. So now that I got all this white stuff on my forehead and my eyebrows, we are ready to begin. So I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow, and I do have it in the shade Dark Brown, and just taking an angle brush with a spoolie at the end, I'm going to comb out my brow. And y'all, let's hope these brows act right, because I never do my brows on camera, because sometimes, I don't know, they just be getting camera shy. And I'd be like, sis, y'all need to get together, okay? So using the angled side, I'm going to underline my brow. And once I got that far, I'm gonna go ahead and make my tail. Now, I don't have hair on the end, so I'm free to make my tail however I want to. So if you have hair on the end, you literally just want to follow your eyebrow pattern, okay? So now I'm going to outline the top of my brow. Next, I'm just gonna fill it in. But what I don't do is I don't go all the way to the front. So I fill it in the back. So about right there. And then I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm going to brush that front part. So this is what you should have. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'm using the Pro Concealer from LA Girls, and I'm in the shade Fun. And I'm just going to take my concealer brush. I want to be hiding. So some people use an angle brush. I just use a flat brush like this. Okay. And we're going to literally just trace our brow. Like, that's it. You're going to trace the bottom, you're going to trace the top. That's it. Now, I will say you have to be really careful with concealer because it's literally like an eraser. So, take your time. Breathe in between, okay? Don't hold your breath. And you got this, sis, okay? Boom. Okay. Now you outline the top. So now that we have blended that down, so it's not so harsh, I'm not going to add any product. I'm just going to fade the front of the brow with whatever leftover product is on my brush. Boom, we got an eyebrow. We got an eyebrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this other brow off camera and then we'll move to the eyes. Okay, so we have our eyebrows on. And so next I'm just gonna take that same concealer and I'm just going to put it on my lid and under my eye. And so all I did was wake up my eye, okay? I'm woke now, I'm ready. Now that that is blended in, I am just going to take my Huda Beauty setting powder and I'm going to set my eyes and my under eye with it. Next, I I'm going to take my mascara, and I am using the Go Big or Go Home from Kat Von D, and I'm going to apply a coat to my lash. Now this next step is optional, but I'm an eyelash girl, so I gotta put some lashes on. If you're not an eyelash girl, sis, it's okay. Throw on your mascara and go your merry way. Ooh, y'all like how I rhymed that? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these lashes on, sis. I'm gonna be using just some wispy eyelashes to give me a more of a just a natural kind of lash. And I got these from the beauty supply store. It's the Kiss brand. They were only $2.99, sis. $2.99, okay? And so how I apply my lashes is very easy. So I am just gonna take my eyelash glue. I use regular eyelash glue. You know, if you want to use that bonding glue, by all means, sis, do you. But I don't do that, okay? I just take regular lash glue, and I'm just going to line the top of my lash line. Like so. Now, usually I do this first and then put my mascara on, but because I wanted to show you without the lashes, I did the mascara first. So if you happen to get a little bit of the lash glue on your lash, you can just coat it with some mascara. It is clear, so it is going to, you know, it's not going to stay white. But yeah, I just typically just go ahead and coat it. Now you don't need a lot of lash glue, so tread lightly, tread lightly. So I'm gonna let this dry for about 10 more seconds. All right, so it is good to go. Now, if you are a pro, you could just pop it on like that. If you are not, get you some tweezers. You don't need no eyelash tweezers. The regular tweezers you use is fine. And you're just gonna put it on the tip like that. And you're gonna just place it directly over your lash line. Not over, but on your lash line rather. Like that. And then I always just press in my lash and the false lash together. So then I'm just gonna take my fingers and I'm going to pinch and kind of like roll my lid over the lash band. So I went ahead and put the other lash on. So we are good to go. Now the next step is going to depend on you. Now, if you want to do a foundation look, you'll just apply your foundation. If you don't do foundation and you want to just like a powder, you apply your powder. So whatever you prefer is what you'll do. So I'm just going to apply powder because I don't want a lot of makeup on my face. I just want to look awake, clean, fresh face. So I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and since I am a little tan, I'm going to use my darker shade, which is 60, okay? And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to apply this over my face. And voila. Now, if you do have dark spots, acne, anything that you want to cover, you can always just take your concealer that you use and then just stick it on those areas, blend it out good, and then you can always put your powder on top of that if you don't want to have the whole foundation look, okay? Next, I'm going to take my Bare Minerals Dewy Mist, and I'm just going to set what I've done because I do want to have a really glowy type of awake look. You know, it's early in the morning, you want to look awake even if you're still sleeping, okay? So let's go ahead and set this. Love that spray. Next, I'm going to take my highlighter. I am just using the Champagne Pop from Becca, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks like that. A little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin. This next step is optional, but I like to apply a little bit of mascara to my bottom lash, so I'm going to do that. Now, I know there are some people who are like, girl, I need me some eyeliner. If that is you, sis, go ahead and pop your eyeliner up under your eye. Do you, boo-boo, okay? Do you. Now, the last step is going to be up to you, sis. If you're a lipstick girl, go ahead and pop your lipstick on. If you're like me and you're a glossy girl, then grab your gloss and make your lips pop. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Quick and easy. Perfect for your Zoom meeting, your digital learning, whatever it is. Easy peasy, boom. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to enter that giveaway, y'all. We did it. 500 subscribers. Y'all the bestest, okay? Please don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.